The basic idea of graphs was first introduced in the 18th century by Leonhard Euler, who was a Swiss mathematician. Today, graphs have become an important tool for analyzing economic relationships. A graph is simply a diagram that shows the functional relationship between two variables. Information presented in tables can also be translated into graphs for better understanding. There are various types of graphs that include line graphs, pie charts, bar charts, and pictograms. However, in today's lesson, we will focus on line graph. I know what your next question is. What is line graph, right? A line graph is simply the graph that is used to connect the highest and the lowest point of a group of data. A line graph is the graphical representation of information that changes continuously over time. Within a line graph, there are different data points that are linked together by a straight line, showing a continuous change in the values represented by the data points. So be patient, we will understand this by using examples. Suppose we want to draw a line graph of the yearly harvest of tubers of yam. In 2016, we were able to harvest 20 tubers of yam. In 2017, we harvested 22 tubers of yam. In 2018, we harvested 24 tubers of yam. In 2019, we harvested 26 tubers of yam. In 2020, we harvested 28 tubers of yam. And in 2021, we harvested 30 tubers of yam. Using this data, we're able to draw the line graph. But first of all, we need to know and take points of X and Y axis. The x-axis is the horizontal axis and the y-axis is the vertical axis. Following our example, the data is placed in the horizontal axis, which is the x-axis, and the number of harvested tubers of yam is placed on the y-axis, which is also known as the vertical axis. In your graph sheets, you can use a scale of 5 centimeters per 1 year in the horizontal axis and 1 centimeter per 1 unit in the vertical axis. You can also decide to use 10 centimeter in both the x and y axis, and that's solely dependent on you. Connect the x and y axis together at their point of intersection for the corresponding year and the number of production. Connecting each point gives us the line graph. That's easy, right? Yes, it is. The line graph is one of the easiest and simplest tools to understand and utilize in analyzing economic data. This is why it is used extensively today in the field of economics. I trust that you enjoyed this lesson, and I will see you in another one. Bye!